The Vedas. The Vedas are the religious texts which inform the religion of Hinduism. Hinduism is also known as Sanatana Dharma, meaning eternal order or eternal path. The term Veda means knowledge, in that they are thought to contain the fundamental knowledge relating to the underlying cause of and personal response to the existence. They are considered among the oldest religious works in the world. There are four Vedas in Hindu culture: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharvana Veda, and Samaveda. Vedas were not all written by one person. The mantras and hymns constituting Vedas were composed by around 329 rishis and 27 rishikas. They were orally composed and were transmitted orally for millennia before being written down. It was Vyasa Maharshi at the time of Mahabharata who compiled or arranged all the mantras into four kinds of collections which are called Vedas. Age of Vedas. Many great scholars who have understood the astronomical references in the hymns or mantras dated Vedas as before 12,000 BC. The time when Vedavyasa compiled Vedas was the time of Mahabharata and dated between 4000 BC to 3500 BC. What are Vedas? Veda means knowledge. Rig Veda. The Rig Veda is the oldest known Vedic Sanskrit text. It talks about cosmology and praises deities. It also deals with philosophy, virtues such as dana or charity in the society. It also talks about the origin of the universe and the nature of God and other metaphysical matters in the form of hymns and mantras. Atharvana Veda. Atharvana Veda consists of knowledge on procedures for everyday life. It contains the information on rituals to be performed in everyone's life. For example, initiation into learning, also called as Upanayana, marriage, and funeral. Most of such rituals which are performed by Hindus today are picked up from Atharvana Veda. Atharvana Veda is the collection of 730 hymns with about 60,000 mantras. Yajur Veda. Yajur Veda is the compilation of mantras for worship rituals. They are the rituals offering formulas and chants that are said by priests while performing yajna or fire rituals. The exact century of Yajur Veda's composition is unknown. It contains 1875 verses. Samaveda. Samaveda gives the knowledge of music and dance tradition of this planet. It contains 1549 verses. The Vedas are written for the overall benefit or the well-being of mankind. It also provides the knowledge of overcoming the problems in one's life by performing yajna or homa and charity. Most of the Vedic mantras are believed to have the power of solving one's mental or physical problems. For example, chanting Meda Suktam is believed to improve the power of mind and improve focus and concentration in children. Chanting Sri Suktam pleases Goddess Lakshmi and provides one with health and wealth. Durga Suktam is believed that one who chants it regularly will win over his enemies and any kind of negative forces and energies. Thank you and Namaste.